Good morning, guys. How are you? Uh, मेरी जैकेट देख के तो लग रहा होगा कि मैं किसी ऐसी जगह पे खड़ा हूँ जहाँ पे क्रिकेट का दूर दूर तक कोई नामो निशान नहीं। लेकिन एक बात तो है कि क्रिकेट के दीवाने, क्रिकेट को चाहने वाले कहीं पे भी क्रिकेट देखने का जुगाड़ बना देते हैं। और क्योंकि अब इंडिया खेल रहा है, इंग्लैंड इज़ विजिटिंग इंडिया, सेकेंड डे, जैसा कि कल लग रहा था जब जो रूट ने बैटिंग करनी शुरू की और अपने शॉट्स खेले और रिवर्स स्वीप खेले, स्विच हिट मारे, कि चेन्नई की पिच में कोई जान नहीं है, कोई बाइट नहीं है। कपल ऑफ नोशंस नीड टू बी डिमोलिश्ड हेयर के जो है इंडिया की पिचेस जो हैं दे आर स्पिन फ्रेंडली। देखिए, अगर पिच में बाउंस ना हो, जिप ना हो, तो और you cannot just say कि just a pitch, if a pitch is low and slow, it will help the spinners. It does not. कल जो विकेट्स ली वो दो बुमराह ने ली और दोनों तेज़ बॉलों पे ली, बॉल्स दैट वर क्विक थ्रू द एयर एंड दोज दैट जब वो जो पिच से लगी तो दे टर्नड इन शार्पली. So it was all the talent of the bowler that counted there. Pitch was not of much help. That explains why England have posted a good total yesterday and they have piled on the runs. And as uh, as it seemed, जैसा मुझे लगा, मैंने कल कहा कि अगर पिच जो है इसमें इंडिया इंग्लैंड को 450 से अंदर अंदर नहीं आउट करता है तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ डिफ़िकल्ट मैच एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी समथिंग दैट will most probably lead the match towards a draw. Sort of a, not exactly a dull game, but looking at the conditions, I think currently the English score is well past 520 and no signs of declaration. I think even Joe Root probably would be saying, let's have our batting. Obviously, everybody is looking forward to the Indian innings. Lekin, it doesn't seem that this match is going to end in a result. And the second match is also in Chennai. So again, how quickly can we change things? This pitch it does not seem that it's going to deteriorate much. और अगर पिच में कुछ हरकत आती भी है तो इंडिया विल ट्राई इट्स लेवल बेस्ट. सेकेंड डे इज़ ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू बी ओवर नाउ के थर्ड और फोर्थ डे इंडिया खेले और अपने आप को बचाए. या इफ़ द पिच प्लेज ईजी देन ऑब्वियसली आवर बैट्समैन आर नॉट गोइंग टू deny themselves shot making. But one thing is clear: how quickly can we have another surface before the second match starts? Okay, a question mark. So let's see if there is going to be sufficient interest left in the Chennai leg of this series. Okay, having said that, nobody can take away the credit that Joe Root is in the prime form of his life. I mean, he has been doing exceptionally well. He has been high up in the ratings for the last, at least for the last 3 years. We talk about the top 4 batsmen, which include Kohli, Kane Williamson, Steve Smith, and obviously Joe Root. And this has been the case at least for the last 3-4 years. And Joe Root is not going to go anywhere soon. He has compiled another beautiful double ton. And Ben Stokes, Kohli's favorite word. Ben Stokes also came and did some quick fire batting. So yeah, you have a unsurmountable total that is going to test the Indian batsmen. So we'll have to see how the English spinners fare on this pitch. We can't say that all the interest has drained out of this match, but it is food for thought that you need to have your bowling combinations right. It doesn't matter whether it is a spinner or a fast bowler who gets you the wickets, as long as you have the bowlers who get you the wickets. So that is something that needs to be think. I definitely think there is going to be a big rejig on the part of the Indians when it comes to choosing their team for the rest of the matches. You obviously, if they are going to be high scoring matches, then you definitely need bowlers who can penetrate. I think not playing Kuldeep Yadav was a miss. At this point in time, you can definitely say that somebody like Yuzvendra Chahal with his leg spins and variations would not have been a bad option either. We don't know why he's not in the squad. Yeah, his batting is an issue, but he can, like he does in the shorter formats of the match, he can definitely be a handful on these pitches. So, and again, let's say that there is a lot of talk that you need to have bowlers who can bowl well to the left-handers, or you need bowlers. I mean, there is that sort of strategic thinking कि जिस team में left-handed players ज़्यादा हो वहाँ पे you need to have your bowlers accordingly. Again, I'd say that if the batsman is well adept, somebody like Joe Root who can play the reverse sweep, the switch shot, conventional as well as unconventional cricketing shots. So it doesn't matter. I mean, and today's batsmen are just like that. They have had exposure to all the formats of the game. They play fast, they play aggressively, and they are capable of playing spinners and fast bowlers alike. You basically need somebody with the talent to get the wickets in order for the match to become interesting. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो चीज़ अभी तक तो इस मैच में नज़र नहीं आई है, बट डेफिनेटली देयर इज़ फूड फॉर थॉट. इंडिया की बैटिंग अभी बाकी है पहली इनिंग्स की. कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट मिरेकल्स? I don't think so. But going forward, we definitely need to play more aggressive, and the bowlers need to have, support from the captain, having the right sort of field settings. I guess it wouldn't have been a bad idea had Rahane continued with his captaincy, because nothing to take away from Kohli, but ये है कि sometimes you are preoccupied, and he had an issue. His baby was born, so obviously it takes time to get back to your stride. No harm if Kohli would have played under Rahane, at least for a part of this series, but टीम सिलेक्शन, टीम पॉलिटिक्स, वो भी एक चीज़ है. बट आई गेस अगर हम बाकी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में सोच सकते हैं, टीम कॉम्बिनेशंस, कौन सा बॉलर इफेक्टिव है, तो कैप्टनसी इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट वी कैन थिंक अबाउट. ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ नो हार्म. आई थिंक रहाने वॉज इमेजिनेटिव एज अ कैप्टन, एंड वो ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव लगे थे और लगा था कि ही वांटेड थिंग्स टू गेट डन. सो लेट्स सी. Pitches, captaincies, selections, everything makes a match interesting. ये मैच इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. लेट्स होप कि अगला मैच इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. टेक केयर. चीयर्स. बाय बाय.